nice water to go bottle. You can like fill it up anywhere. So we're going to test it out and see if I die of cholera or something like that. So we just unscrew the lid, pour the water out. Right, now all the water is gone. Jump over to here. You're going to take the filter out. Make sure you take the filter out. La, 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 la. There we go. Right. Now you fill it up. You go back to it. You put it in. Screw the lid. And now you have clean water. Good.